Hey people on YouTube, it's me, the Internet TV. Sorry if you not really know why it's crappy quality. It's because I'm using my cell phone because I can't find my camera and I have no batteries too, so there's not much point. Today I'm going to be doing a game unboxing of Uncharted 2 Among Thieves. It went down today for $30 and straight 15 over $30, $35 for some in-game bonus. So I'll show you all this. One player, network players 2 to 10, 1,000 MB required, 720p HD output, and 480p DualShock 3 headset. It's multiplayer, voice chat, gameplay, PlayStation Home, and trophies. I'm gonna unbox it now. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I'll just see. You can't really see because there's using a Jones, not a Jones bottle. Body wash. And, open this. Yeah, it's the first time getting this game. I had the first one, not like it at all. Oh, I love the smell of new games. Frick. It's Sunday. This video might not even be uploaded today. Let me open it out. There's a bonus code. This is they actually made them of every thing of this. I don't know if it's new or not, the Game of the Year edition. But they just started using scratch things now in Canada. So you get PlayStation Heroes game, Drake's Fortune map pack, Uncharted 2 Siege, PlayStation Multiplayer, Golden Guns, Early Access Revenge Booster, Uncharted. I have Iron Indrum Motion Comic Bundle, Uncharted. I have skins, Uncharted Among Thieves Avatar Pack 1, 2, 3, and 4, Pinball Heroes, Uncharted. This code might be pretty cool. There's the code. I would get this if I were you. Wow. It's actually colored, actually had the time, and they actually had the money to put color in it. I don't know if I'll play this today, but if you don't have this game, go get the collector's edition because you get a good amount of stuff. I'm playing Kills on 3 too, but yeah. Long story short, I didn't pay for it. My dad was paying for it. I don't have a job yet, and so he paid for it, which I'm pretty happy because he paid for all my crap. But I helped him today, so he's like, "Oh, you want anything?" It's like, "Kick a game, sure." And he got me games, so I helped him out with that. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and tell me any other games to get, and I'll get it, and I'll do unboxing for it.